So hi, I'm Roman, and today's tutorial I'd like to show you how I create and combine between Shibori and Ecoprint technique. Actually, in previous video I already show you how I made Nui Shibori with wave pattern, and in this video I will show you to combine these two techniques. Mama. First of all, of course, we start from the materials and ingredients. Here I have some leaf and the fabric, and I already scoring and more than the fabric. And that's the important thing when you do the ecoprint, because when the fabric is ready to dye, the color tannin from the plant is stick well. And I was promised you before to share the recipe, the modern recipe, but sorry, I think I need to fix it and make sure again the recipe. After all is done and good, I will share you with you all guys, because actually every fabric is unique and every plants also, when you use different fabric, the color also change, so the composition of the recipe needs to change also. I know it's complicated, so just wait my exploration and I will share mine. So just now arrange the plant, the leaf, then cover it with plastic. After that we roll it. And here I made three different eco print with different fabric and plants.
Ini ya, yang itu tuh. Yang ini itu. Oh.
Ini memang waktu mordant pertama kali.
Ih bagus deh itu fokusnya.
Bu hangseurnya.
Mau bacang.
Bu bacang, bu hangseur.
After the ecoprint is done, now we are going to the shibori technique. You can do the shibori first or the ecoprint first. It depends on the design. Here I wanna make sure the ecoprint pattern is not dyed, so we use water resist technique with stitch or nui shibori and cover the ecoprint part with plastic, and it's actually called boshi shibori. If you ask me how do I know the name, I learned from Japanese friends and I also read some books and of course exploring all of that. After draw the line and stitch, tie the end of the thread and pull the other side of the thread, and then tie it together. You can use any rubber band to make sure it's already tied tightly. And finally, the final part is you should cover it with the plastic to keep the pattern from the dye. Masih cuci dulu ya, Cinya? Ini.